and Malindi by-election, when in one of my chapters, I received a 411, where myself and Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen and others were implicated in a certain issues. So that chapter, I don't want to read for you that chapter, and that chapter, Your Excellency, is called "You Have Touched a Live Wire" in my book. Your Excellency, the former Speaker of the National Assembly, J.B. Muturi, has a lot of places in my book. Advice he gave to the former president when our colleagues in the Senate were replaced, and now the knife was coming for those of us. And of all, the day that there was changes in the National Assembly, Your Excellency, the only person I felt for was the Honorable Cecil Mbarire, the governor of Embu now. I said they should have left this lady alone. Those of us, when we go home, we can still survive. Your Excellency, our great Deputy President, a man of serious words. And today somebody told me, the only other politician we expect to write a book like yours is Rigiji. He is a man of the truth. So we expect Honorable Rigathi. Our two brothers, Your Excellency, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi and Honorable Moses Wetangula. The earthquake, the conference that we went to Bomas, and the speech you gave, and the leaders who ran away when they saw you, is well documented, Your Excellency, in this book. Your Excellency, your speech at both Bomas 1 and Bomas 2 is well documented. And when I look at that speech you gave, the first Bomas, Your Excellency, at least we were there, myself and Honorable Kipchumba spoke. But in the second Bomas, because we were no longer part of their club, you are the only one who was there. And we felt for you as we watched from the TV screens that what will they do to this man? But God gave you the courage and the patience, and you took a lot of time. I drew a lot of lessons from your patience. They were heckling you, and you could say, so is it? You think so? You know, it was like, you think so? If you can convince me, I am ready to listen to you, you know, very calmly, you know. They humiliated you. So there's a huge chapter on that, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, my journey with you in ODM in 2005, and for record, the only time in my political journey with the president, and he allowed me a sabbatical leave, agreed, was during the 2010 Constitution. And I told him, Your Excellency, you know that few key areas that are dear to the community and the region I come from. The card is caught. And today when I look back, I am so proud that even during that referendum, where the former Prime Minister, the former President, the former